Okay, so good morning everyone. Of course, my name is CJ Lumibo and today we are going to demonstrate how the dodge tool and the burn tool is used. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see, we have a canvas here, a project. Okay, so puti siya. Of course, we have a background layer, but let me of course have this like unlocked. So Control J and delete this layer and click OK. And let me adjust my panel. Just going to have our history panel here. Let me move this on the bottom. Ayan. Yan. So now we can revert back to our save point here. So using the dodge tool, so titignan natin kung paano siya ginawa. So but first, let me create a background here. I'm just going to color our canvas into something blue. Okay. Okay. So have it more something like bluish, like the sky blue. Okay. So let me create a shape here. New layer, and then just going to select the rectangular marquee tool. Maybe this part. Oh no. On the middle. Yan. Hindi. Sobra naman yan. So, yan. Okay na yan. And let me use the brush tool and use our color gray here. Ayan. Gamitin ko si color gray. And have our background with, rather have our brush size of maybe like 463 is enough. Hardness 0 and shift click and boom. Then, lakihan ko pa. Hindi, sobra naman na yan. Hindi, kuha na lang ako ng kulay ng blue. Yan, using the eyedropper tool and have our gray color here. And reduce the size of the brush. Yan. And kuha din ako ng kulay blue. And have our brush size to like 472. Okay na yan. Hindi, liitan ko pa and then taasan ko yung hardness ng konti. Yan. So, Control D. And then I'm just going to have another shape here. So, create new layer. Maybe like this part. And color this into like dark blue. Okay? Dark blue. Something much more dark. Paint bucket tool. Using the paint bucket tool, just going to color this area with dark blue or like the shade of the blue. So Control D to deselect, and I'm just going to select this layer. Control T and hold the Alt key and then Shift up. Alt key and Control and then Shift. And then Shift key. Yan. And then maybe reduce the opacity. Para magkaroon tayo ng perspective. Reduce ko pa ulit yung opacity. Ayan. So, we are going to demonstrate a session here na kung saan gagamitin natin si dodge tool and then si burn tool. So, I'm just going to create a new layer. Yan. Nag-create ako ng bagong layer and then gagawa ako ng circle. So, I'm going to use the elliptical, or you can also use the ellipse tool. But ako is gagamitin ko na lang si elliptical. So, to make a perfect circle, I'm just going to hold the shift button key and then drag down. Yan. And then I'm going to color our this area, this selection with maybe like mink. Color mink, color pink, and color this area with pink. Yan. And Control D to deselect. So right now, meron tayong separate layer na nagko-contain ng bilog. So, to use the dodge tool, so makikita natin, hindi ko na lang siya i-describe, makikita nyo na kung anong function niya. So, yung dodge tool natin is around here, yung parang may pin. Dodge tool, right-click natin yung dodge tool, burn tool, okay? So, let's start with dodge tool. So, right now, I'm just going to increase the size of our dodge tool, right-click. So, para lang siyang brush ang kung paano siya gamitin, and reduce the hardness. Okay? So, kung ginanito natin siya, okay, so let me increase the exposure para mas dumiin ang ating efficiency ng dodge tool. So, kung makikita nyo guys, nagkakaroon tayo ng parang dark spot ng pink natin. Parang kinukuha niya yung darker shade of our color. Okay? So, let me revert that. Bawasan ko ang ating exposure. Yan. So, meron tayong 2D circle dito. Gagawin natin siyang medyo 3D. Diba? So, gaganito lang ako sa side. Parang sayaw-sayaw lang yan. Tingnan natin. As you can see here, nagkakaroon na siya ng parang some sort of shade. So, ang next na gagawin ko is bababaan ko yung size, tataasan ko yung hardness. Para dito sa part na to. Diba? So, I'm just going to increase the size again. Oops, sobra na yan. And then, decrease the hardness. Yan. Taasan ko na lang yung hardness. Control Z ko, tapos taasan ko. Yan. So, next you are going to use the dodge tool. Ayan. Si dodge tool, same as lang kay burn tool natin. Na parang gumagamit ng brush. But, it's the opposite na kung anong ginagawa niya. So, si dodge tool, kinukuha niya yung lighter shade of our color. Diba? Tingnan natin. So, yan. Ganyan ang ginagawa ni dodge tool natin. So, babalik ko lang dito. Yan. Nasobrahan na. Yan. Maybe I'm just going to reduce the size, increase the hardness. Ayan. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng some sort of glow here. Masyado na taasan ko yung exposure up to 100. So, have our like perfect shine here. Yan. Liitan ko na lang para hindi siya masyado realistic. Dito. Hindi siya masyado realistic. So, bababaan ko yung hardness, taasan ko yung size. Yan. Okay na siguro yan. Okay? So, yun. That's how you use the dodge tool and the burn tool. So, it's a simple tutorial na kung saan pwede nyo gamitin like pakintabin ang isang itsura. Okay? So, let's have a picture here. Maybe this one. Sige, try natin to. Yan. So, meron tayong image ng aking game dito. So, we can also use the dodge tool and the burn tool to like maybe have spots that are dark into brighter spots, diba? But be careful, if you use it too much, it can have the image, or rather you can like magkakaroon ka ng parang burnt effect, which is not good, diba? As you can see here, masyado na siya dark kapag inuulit-ulit natin, diba? Pwede nyo rin gamitin to sa face para mapakintab or mapaglow, but it all depends on your creativity on how to use this tool. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.